Hey, I'm Mark, and I do a bit of this and that, so this is a different kind of video. Normally it's about bikes or guitars, all kinds of things. This today is about planting out tomatoes. Now, the thing is, I started with tomatoes and they're growing nicely. But the only thing is, they're getting a bit big for the little pots they're in, seedling pots. So we're going to go and get them in a minute. And what we're going to be doing is, seeing as I couldn't get any pots big enough I wanted from the garden shop, I've got some old yogurt containers and I've been drilling holes in the bottom, see, for drainage. So, take one drill and on the top you can see certain things. I'll just see if I can do this so you can see what's going on. There you go. Should be able to see now. Right. So if we do look across here, one in the middle, and then just a few on the outside. Just to make sure. You can do as many as you like. It's just a bit of even drainage, really. You don't want too much to come out, but you do want it. You don't want it sat in, water. You don't want it to come in too far. So I do one more, and the reason I'm doing this is because if I don't, my tomatoes will grow like I want. Nice and big. And I do put a hole in there. Good. Put some around too. That'll do. So, tomatoes. Then I've got here one mega sack container and basket. There you go. Soil. It's alright. Any soil will do, really. Composting soil, really. This soil's pretty stuffy. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of that in these. I'm going to go get me tomatoes. And I'm going to start potting them up. And I'll bring you back later. Right. Here we have some lovely little tomato plants here. So, bring this out a bit. So I've got our tomato plants. And what we want to do is put these tomato plants, and they do smell lovely because they've got some rain on them and they are loving the rain. So what I need to do is some rain in there. Not in the bag. Don't bother about mucking about. Don't muck about. Grab your pot. Go straight in. Fill it up. And knock off what you don't need. There. And I'm going to make a nice little hole there. Now, any look, my little seedling. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. I don't want to pull out the roots. So, I'll come back to that one in a minute. So, really what I need to do is tap them, isn't it? If I do this one, squeeze it, it releases the root ball. Now what I'm going to do here, because These are small. Don't get the idea that it doesn't, you can go too far with this. Oh. Got some more, so don't worry. It's my kitchen and I clean it up. So I'm going to put that in there. Firm it up, and there's the first one in there. So I'll do another one. So milk container with the holes in. Fill it up to the top, like that. Tap off the excess, stick your finger in to make a hole. Nice thing, the root in there, look at that. Nice root. And just put that in there, fill a bit in. And that's another one done, and then what I'm going to do is afterwards I will water all these in. And the other thing I got today was some tomato. Well, tomato food from a well-known store. Also where I got this from. It was cheap, so it was a and it's in my home, so it's a home, and yeah, that store, right? So yeah, now we've fed with some of that after some hours. I've got a bandana on because I'm sweating and it's very hot in here. I'm not opening the windows. So let's do another one. Don't worry about the kitchen, I'm going to clean the kitchen up. As you do, I hoover it and mop it at least once a day. Because a little bit on the OCDC side. OCDC, is that a new band? Australian Cleaners. Right, so seems to clean. So squeeze that again, because I want the soil all loose. And I just pick out one of those big ones. Bash it in there like that, there you go, there's another one. And you get the basic message. The other thing I did when I was at that place, I got some seeds. I got some broad bean. I got some peas. I got some borage. And I got some them. Yeah, very nice. So, oh, and one of the packets got wet, and the girl had to change them. So the packet had broken open. They went all over the floor. So I got some more because I picked them up off the floor while she was going to collect the other seeds. Oh, naughty me! Where's that one up? Mine also didn't steal. Because I paid for them and I got a receipt to prove it. Anyway, that's enough mucking about for now. Have a good day, stay safe. Keep your 2 metre distance, please. We don't want to go back down the same road we just got out of, so it's a bit better, wouldn't it? Anyway, be good, be kind, help people out, and help your garden out, and let bees and all that. Oh, by the way, a thumbs up would be nice if you like this. Thumbs down if you didn't. Yeah. And what's the other things? Oh yeah, like and subscribe. I don't do a Patreon. No, I wouldn't do this if I didn't want to do it. So just get on with it. But if somebody was nice and they wanted to help me out, well, you can always send me some seeds. I'll give you a message if you can contact me, or leave a message in the comments down there. Now, I'm not sure where this is going to go, so I'm thinking, I need to put another video up with this one when I load it up to, when I load it up. So where am I going to put it? Should I put it, let's see, up there, wherever. You'll find it, won't you? Because you're smart, clever. Cheery bye, take care, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.